Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Albert, and today I'm going to walk you through how to cite a document in Google Drive, full 2026 guide. If you've ever needed to share a document, reference it in your work, or just want a clean citation link straight from Drive, this video is going to make the whole process super simple and easy to follow. So let's get started. First, open up Google Drive by heading over to the website and signing in if you're not already. When you're on the home page, go ahead and enter Drive so you can see all your stored files. Pick any file you want to cite, whether it's a document, a PDF, or any other type of file, and open it so you can check its sharing settings. At the top right, click the Share button to bring up the permissions window. From there, change the visibility to anyone with the link, which makes the document accessible for citation without requiring sign-in. Once that's done, tap the check mark to confirm your visibility settings, and the new sharing mode will be saved. After that, hit Copy Link so the shareable link gets stored on your clipboard, and then press Done to close the sharing panel. Now that your link is ready, it's time to move into your document space. Head back to Drive and select Document so you can open Google Docs. When the Docs page opens, choose Documents to create or open the file where you want your citation to appear. Once the document is ready, simply paste the link you copied earlier into the text area, and your citation link is instantly placed right where you need it. You can format it, hyperlink it, or style it however you prefer for your project or assignment. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully created a shareable, citable link for a Google Drive file and dropped it into a Google Doc with just a few easy steps. If this guide helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.